Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Got 8 out of 12 elbows needed, 8 lengths of pipe. Gonna finish these ducts, and let's get started now. Alright, it's not pretty, but they're both hooked up. 3 screws in every juncture. Pretty secure, pretty secure. Alright, so the last one I gotta run is out of the furnace, up, over the beam, down, across, and up into the kitchen. So let's do that now. Alright, so I just don't have what I need to get this last run hooked up. I got the food in. I need elbow down, elbow to the right, and then I need elbow up and elbow in. And I just, 3 lows I went to, and in the last 2 days, and nobody has enough elbows. So I'm gonna hook the thermostat up, and I could technically start the furnace. And so that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna hook this up. I think I got a bad thermostat wire. I just jumped it red to white. Took the thermostat off. I could see that it was red to white. It's wanting to light now. Here it goes. The burner's on. The fan should kick in here in a second. Burners are lit. Bad thermostat wire. Ugh, stinky. Alright, we're all good. I found out that the red wires were hooked up to this transformer and this thing was smoking. Not good. So I ran the fan upstairs because it was 90 and that's as high as the thermostat goes. And it was 92 in here. Oh, we got good air pumping out of there. We got good air pumping out of there. Let's check the bathroom. Oh, we got good air pumping out of there. My thermostat, it's at 90. It's 88 in the house. Tomorrow I gotta fix this, but I got good air pumping out of there. So we're all good. I thought I had a bad thermostat wire, but it was hooked to the transformer because the old furnace was gravity and did not have a blower. So what I'm going to do is turn this thing down. Because my dude is coming here and I want him to see it run. Alright, so that's down. Alright folks, so it's 5 o'clock. My dude was supposed to show up here. He was picking me up 4 boots from a Home Depot he was going to. And a furnace filter. And he's stuck in traffic, and I'm out of here. He's just gonna drop it off tomorrow. And so tomorrow I might bring my van and get the old furnace debris out. It's sitting in the backyard, like right behind this window. Here's the driveway side. And maybe bring a ladder, because I gotta put gutter guard over at one of our other properties. So if I get down here, I could shoot over there and bring a bigger ladder, do the gutter guard. And so thank you for watching Old School Customs. We got one more run to make and this freaking thing is done. It runs. Oh, I don't know if I said in the last thing, but there's the red wire for the thermostat was hooked through here and this had a little smoking going on. So I like put the 2 red wires together and taped it up and voila, she lit right up. So thank you for watching Old School Customs. Leave a comment, share the video, watch another video, hit the like button, choo choo.